Hi, this article is called Combining Monte Carlo Tree Search and Depth First Search Methods for a Car Manufacturing Workshop Scheduling Problem. So in the long video, I will talk about Monte Carlo Tree Search, Depth First Search, and surprise, a car manufacturing workshop scheduling problem. The Monte Carlo Tree Search was originally designed for the game of Go, and since then it was mainly used in game AI, but there is a few applications in the field of combinatorial problem. In a world, it is regular tree search, but guided by samples, by rollouts. And the framework is really generic and actually can be used for combinatorial optimization problems. So in the presentation, I will describe the four phases of a Monte Carlo tree search in the context of optimization problems. And in particular, how we applied it to a scheduling problem. So in this problem, we have to plan the move of vehicles components across an assembly line. And to do this, we have operators who are in charge of a set of components. And these operators use trolleys. And then the real goal is to plan the move of these trolleys. In the long video, I will show how we adapted the framework of the Monte Carlo tree search to obtain good results for this problem. And in particular, one of the three main adaptations we made is to sometimes use a DFS instead of a simple rollout.